Alright, we're back. I'm going to clean up the garage here just a little bit before you can see I'm wearing my baseball hat with the camera on the top, a little image there. Just going to blow a little bit, get some of this dirt out before we get started here. There we go. Alright, the lawnmower won't start. And that lawn needs mowed. So we're going to do a few... Hi, Winnie. That lawnmower, going to try to do a few things. It's here to see if we can't get it to start. One of the first things we're going to do, easy thing to do is to change this filter. So I went to Rural King and picked up... Rural King is the best thing going. If you have a Rural King near you, you know the Rural King secret. And so let me just see if the camera's going here. If I'm capturing what I think I'm capturing. Yeah, I'm capturing what I think I'm capturing. Okay. Bright sunny day today. Had it for a while. That's just going to sit right on there. These pegs slide in there. Just pop that back on. Make sure that connects there. Alright, first thing's done. We're trying to get this thing to start. I'm also going to change the spark plug, which should be here. And so I have the... Let me see. Oh man, I'm that old that I need to have these, right? So, got the 5/8 deep socket, because I know that's the one that's going to fit the replacement piece. Right. So that's a good one. You can see there's a gap right there. So I went to AutoZone and they treated me like a female. I didn't know anything. So I went across the street to the Advanced Auto and it was even 25 cents cheaper. So I'm happy with that. So here is, I don't know if I can see this. We're going to go with it. That there is a spark plug. So this should pop off. There it did. Popped off. Okay. And then it's pretty deep. So righty-tighty. I got to switch this little lever to loosey. Alright. That came off pretty well. Now it's got a lot of thread on it. So we're just going to unscrew it. I don't know if you can see in there. Don't know if you can see in there. I lost the preview feature on my phone, so I really don't know what I'm capturing. I hope it's what I'm seeing. Ah, there we go. That doesn't look too bad. We're gonna replace it anyway. See if that helps us. It was $4.06. So I'm going to screw that back in. It's pretty long for a small engine spark plug. See, that's pretty long for a small engine spark plug. The screwy part, threaded part, is pretty long. So I got to change my tool to tighten. And I'll make sure that's on there. Okay, and then I'm going to plug that on back in there. Push that on as far as it'll go. All right, step 2 is done. Third thing I want to do is I want to suck the old gas out and replace it with some regular canned gas. Because I have some gas here, but it's old. And I don't think that's helping it any to do its job. So let me move these tools out of the way, get the siphon, and we'll see if we can start siphoning this. So let's see. I'm gonna put these tools over here. I'm gonna get my siphon. I'm gonna siphon this into the old can here. How to get this top off. Do. Yeah. I'm gonna push that in. Well, that's not working. Don't want to put it in there. I want to put it in this one. This is an old one, obviously. Something with this pushing here. Push and turn. Okay, that's free there. Ah. Well, let me come back to this and keep recording. So I'll be right back. We are back, we are back, we are back. All right, I think I have released this fancy can. And what I'm trying to do is simply siphon the gas out of one and into the other. There's not a lot of gas in here, thank goodness. Shouldn't be a lot in there at all from last season. So let's see if we can plug this end. And I know I should work this better, but that's a big spout. Let's see if I can try to do it all the way now. Well, move this a little closer. Here we go. I think I got this backwards. I think I should have the other end in. Let's let it suck in. Pour out. Well, this is a terrible way of doing it, but just trying to get her done. One-quarter ounce at a time. I should do this at the end of the season, not at the beginning of the season. All right. I think I have this old gas in the recycled container. Now, again, we're trying to get this thing started for our first mowing. First mowing of that, of the season. So I got this fuel in a can. This four cycle engine should be good to go. So fresh gas. I checked the oil earlier. It all looks fine. Fingers crossed this works. Especially because I'm pulling a lot in there. Didn't use the entire can, but put in enough to figure out if this is going to get started or not. All right. Change glasses. Put the sunglasses on. Fingers crossed. Okay, so we did the spark plug, the air filter, and new gas. So here we go. Let's give it a try. So that's pretty common. Need to let it rest for a few minutes and then come back and try again. But from the way that sounds, I'm pretty happy with that this is going to work. So I'm going to give it a few minutes, come out and try it again and see where it goes. Now, because this is the first grass mowing, I think I'm going to want to bag it. So that's a little more work, but for the first season with all the leaves and weeds, that's what I plan to do. Okay, check with you later. Well, I just did another pull. Look at there. Try one more time. Gotta change my shoes, put on my lawnmower clothes, and I'm doing this. See ya. Okay, I hope we're running now. I got my lawn mowing shoes on. I am ready to go, but I want to put the bagger on. So you lift up this back thing, and it just hooks into these back slots. And so I can make that work. Here we go. Here we go. Try it again. that's where I'm going to leave you. Very cool. You can see it's cleaned out very nicely. Only a little bit more work to do there. So thanks. Have a great day. All right, before I sign off, I just thought I would show you the lawn mowed. So, looks great. Good job. Quick fixes. Ready to go. Have a great day. Go Sycamores.